This is a Mr. Tracky production.
Hey guys, so today I'm doing something pretty big. I am actually starting the process of painting and redoing my room. As you can see, my room really isn't the cutest thing in the world. I've tried really hard to decorate it and make it really cute as much as possible, but it's time for my beloved Justin Bieber wall to leave. This has been a process that I've been trying to do for like 4 years because this color, I don't know what I was thinking in middle school. Why did I want lime green and teal? Tell me why I wanted that. I really want to do something really neutral. I like very simple colors, so I wanted to do like a light gray color wall. I really don't like teal anymore, but I have a lot of accents in this room currently that are teal. I'm trying to figure out what the best thing's gonna be if I want to reupholster the ottoman and like spray paint the lamp. Like, I may be doing that. I've been getting like a lot of decorations and things, everything literally from Amazon and like Target. So I just got this tray from Amazon. It's like plasticky. I got it for like $16. And it has like a very marbled look to it. And then I bought this Chanel book on Amazon. And normally these coffee table books are so expensive, and I got this for, I think it was like $18. And these are the paint swatches. So I think we're gonna go with this color, but I just got this tray from Amazon and this one also from Amazon. So I'm like kind of stressed out about the wall, but I feel like I can't make a decision on what to do with the wall until everything is off and everything is painted. I have my Justin Bieber poster, this big one that I got from the Purpose tour. I'm definitely gonna keep this one up. I don't know, I've had this Gaga poster literally since I think like 4th or 5th grade. I love Lady Gaga, my queen. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. A lot of ideas, don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know. I don't freaking know. It's actually like really sad that I'm taking like all these photos down because like my middle school, like high school life, like I would put these up like every time I found a picture that I liked of a celebrity I liked, I would put it up. It's mostly Justin Bieber, but it's fine. So it's gonna be really sad because that's at least like 10 years of like images that I've like printed out. So it's definitely gonna be really sad, like taking this down, but I'm really excited. I've wanted to do this for so long.
Thousand years later.
So I wanted to give a little room update. It's not done yet. I may even be getting a new comforter and stuff like that. So we're still in the process, but furniture has been moved. We haven't even started to put stuff on the walls yet, so that's a thing, but I want to show you kind of what I've done so far. When you walk in, it's the same as it was before. The hanging thing that I have here from Amazon is still here. This is my favorite part. So I did my whole vanity. So we just got this Vanity Fair magazine, so I literally just put stuff on it because why not? And then I got the trays. I have, I found this in our basement. And then these fake plants were from Target in the dollar section. They were literally $3. So I got those. And then this mirror was my grandfather's. It's really dusty. We still have to clean it. And then, you know, I organized all of this. For right now, I have this little seating area, which is really cute. I put all of my magazines over here. Kind of set it all up nicely. I got this pillow for $5 at Target. And then I have some stuff like there. It's probably gonna move, but that's my mirror. Nothing on the walls yet. And then my bed. Again, I may be getting a new comforter. I also got this pillow on sale at Target. I have my, you know, side table, whatever, and my Justin Bieber poster. Same window curtains and desk. My desk is so messy. Ignore my milk. Because I was eating cereal during my class. Okay, ignore it. But these are some photos I'm gonna be putting up that I'm very excited about. So that's fun. And then I moved my bookshelf over here next to this other dresser that I have, and the bookshelf, don't even look at it. I did this for the tabletop and I'm kind of happy with it. I think it looks really cute. And then I really love my Fall Out Boy flag, but I had no idea where to put it. And I was like, you know what? Let me hang it on the door. So I just finessed this, and I don't know. It doesn't look bad. I don't know what to do. I have this here, which I had before. Same with that. Those are some shelving that I bought from Target. They're floating shelves. I'm gonna put them here with mirror tiles. And then this plant. I have a bunch of items in my room that I decided to kind of renew and refurbish because they were that ugly teal color that I decided to make my whole room. And so what I did was I basically just DIY them and like spray painted them. So I'm gonna show you the process of me doing all of that right now. So you're gonna need some newspaper, some gold spray paint, or whatever color you want, and then a cover. And then you're gonna take the items that you want to spray paint and remove whatever you don't kind of need from it and kind of prepare them to be spray painted. So as you can see here, I taped the inside of the lamp and just did this fully around to make sure that everything on the inside there was fully taped over. You could not get any spray paint in. And I also taped the cord as well to once again ensure that no spray paint would get all over it. Then I took everything outside and laid newspaper out. Make sure that you do this outside and make sure there's newspaper down so you don't get spray paint anywhere it's really not supposed to go. And then I just kind of went for it. I sprayed really only one coat on everything and just fully went in and covered it completely, making sure that I got every little edge that there possibly was. Okay, so I just masking taped the white portion and a little bit on the inside. I'm just gonna spray paint the inside, the bottom, all that jazz. I am going to be doing some DIY projects for just some wall art so things are less expensive. All you need are frames, magazines that you probably just have lying around, and images that you just like in general. The first thing I want you to do is grab some magazines and then grab a few different frames that go with your room. The first thing I want you to do is tear off some magazine covers that you find interesting, and then grab a bunch of other pictures and images from the magazines. Once you've found all of these images, select two of your favorites. I chose these two bizarre covers, and then you pick out the frame that fits them both perfectly. Next, you remove the backing and the inside piece of the frame, and then perfectly align the two covers inside of the frame. So my frame was a little bit too big for these, but I still made it work by, symmetrically lining them up in the middle, so it didn't look super crazy. Once everything is aligned perfectly, you take that sheet that was in there and use the white side against the glass. Then just apply the backing of the frame on perfectly, and you are basically all done, and it ends up looking super, super cute. I love mine, and it looks amazing on the wall, and it was so easy to put together. It looks like something you would buy on Etsy. So for the next project, I wanted to do something else you can put on your wall. So you get a frame that matches with your room and then print off some sort of logo or image that you really like. I then took this Chanel logo from a magazine, and I decided to cut the label off of it and apply it to this Chanel background that I printed off and I just found on Google. And I trimmed this to fit the image that I printed off perfectly. And then I kind of moved it up, down, and around to see where I liked it the best. And then I lined it up perfectly. Grabbed some tape. I used masking tape here because I had nothing else. And then I just taped it in 3 different areas on the back and applied it where I wanted to make this really cute little piece to put in this frame. Now, once I taped this on perfectly and the image was absolutely perfect, I popped it right into the frame. Honestly, this ended up looking just like something I could find on Etsy or from the designer itself, and it just looked amazing on the wall. It kind of goes with everything. And it's a really easy decor thing to do to make your room kind of look bougie. Okay, so now that I showed you guys kind of like how I made everything, I kind of just wanted to show you the process of me putting things up and kind of showing you how the whole room just came together.
When all your love hits the ground, you're gonna love me. Just shut up. Now, now, now,
I realized that I never recorded myself putting up the images on my wall of celebrities and a bunch of like really cool images that I really like that I printed off from Walgreens. So I'll just explain the process really quickly. Basically, I printed them all off from Walgreens, which you saw in an early on clip. I just used Scotch tape and kind of just went for it on my wall. That way I could kind of combine a lot of trends and vibes that I like. I'll give you a little montage of that right now.
Sorry on the beat.
So it's finally time for me to do a final room tour. I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. I love my room. final room tour montage. I'm so happy with my space. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.